Hi friends, welcome to the channel. So today on desk we have a laptop and it's got a pesky little problem here, and you may have come across a similar situation, and I'm going to show you how you can resolve this. It may be a two-part video. I'm just going to go into the quick fix right now. So what's going on here is that when I go to shut down, click start normally, and then click the power button and then shut down. And your machine should just go blank screen. You hear the sound and you should shut down. You close your screen about now and you walk away. And then you would come back an hour later and your battery was still running in the background. Your screen was still on. Because look, it didn't shut down. Looks like it just logged out or whatever it did. I don't know. So what's really going on here? I'm going to log in and show you something. So I'm going to log in. There's actually an option called fast startup. We're going to go to control panel. So let's go control panel, enter, and then we're going to go to power options. So there is an option, fast startup, and that when you select that, your machine would just start a lot faster, but sometimes it can enter some kind of corruption due to conflict with drivers or hibernation files corruption. So if the quick fix is, if you just want to shut down your machine and you don't really care about fast startup, because to be honest, if you have NVMe drive, SSD, it's not giving you such a big boots. So anyway, to clear that, you need to go power options where we are, click on, choose what this clicking the power button will do. So you're going to then scroll down to the bottom and look on the shutdown settings, turn on fast startup is actually checked and grayed out. To actually get to undo this, you need to go back up to change settings that are currently unavailable. Click on that. Now it's option, you can deselect it. So I'm going to deselect it, and simple, if I don't want to change anything else, as this user have, this is what they require, sleep on all side, we're just going to go save, and as simple as that, we're going to close out. Then we're going to test if we can actually do a real shutdown. Let's go into the motion. Bam. And it's not coming back up. This is what a shutdown should do. So follow me for more. I'm going to do another video later on how you can actually troubleshoot this if you really want to keep your fast startup. Because like I said, options, you could run a what's called a power config and do a switch with off to turn or remove the hibernation file, and then you could do a switch to get it back on. Other things you could check is outdated drivers, but not in this video. But remember to watch the next video. Please remember to like, to share, and to subscribe. Help me to build this channel. I have lots of stuff coming down the tube. Until next time, have yourself a great day. Bye now.